Hey group, playing in the dirt here. Went to Walmart today and picked up some Zoom flukes. We have here White Pearl. This was like $2.38. And we got Swimming Super Fluke Junior White Ice. Again, $2.38. And then we got the Zoom Fluke Baby Bass. Right here. You guys can see the color good. Baby bass. Each one of these was $2.38. I thought it was a good deal. This is the white ice, and this is the white pearl fluke. Then my wife was with me, and she looks over, and to my surprise, she goes, "Look, lunker hunt." She knew I was looking for some frogs, so she said, "Look at this, you get 3 of them." And I think this was a little more money. It was like 15 bucks. But we got a 1/2 ounce lunker frog, and the pocket frog is a 1/4 ounce. Which we got 3 nice looking frogs there. Then I didn't even know she got this. And to my surprise, she got me a mystery tackle box. Now it says there's $25 worth of stuff here. $25 value for, I think it was $17. $25 value, and this is box number 200. I didn't even know she put it in a cart. She just wanted to surprise me. It says 5 to 6 awesome items from top brands around the world. Tips, tricks, and instructions to help you catch more fish. A limited edition fishing decal, and a great reason to do a happy dance. Alright, well, I kind of started to open it, but I didn't finish because I wanted everybody to be a part of this. So we're going to open this right now and see what's in it. That's nice. Happiness in a box. There we go. Oh, that's a nice little box, I guess. Let's see. I don't have a knife to open this with. So we'll be ripping the tape. Let's see what we got for $17. Oh, check that out. Comes with a little scale built into the box. Let's see what we got. Mystery tackle box. We have a tournament grade Strike Pro secret weapon. One of those. Looks like it might catch some fish. And we have HarmonyFishing.com. Harmony Fishing products. Looks like we got 3 rubber worm hooks from Harmony. Looks like we got some soft plastic baits here. Tournament tested best Kalins. We got a tickle tail. You guys can see the color on those pretty good. That's the name of it, Kalins. Okay, that's 3 items. And we got some more plastic baits. Fish OE lures. Some more plastic baits. Fish OE lures. Looks like there's looks like 4 rubber worms there to me. And we got a nice it says cycle bait. It's coming out of the package here. Willow cycle blade, 3/8 ounce. This is pretty nice. I kind of like this. Let's get a good look at that. And this is from Cycle Bait. Okay, that's it. We got 1, 2, 3. Oh, we got a spinner bait. Looks like a crankbait. spinnerbait and crankbait. And then just looks like some couple rubber worms and some rubber worm hooks. They said at $25 value, we paid $17. I don't know if I'm seeing $25 value. I mean, I showed you those flukes I bought, those rubber baits, and those were $2.38 a piece. I don't know. Oh, it tells you that it breaks it down. The Strike Pro Cranky is $10.49. The Fish Cycle Bait, this right here, is $8.49. Kalin's Tickle Tail, $4.99. Fish OE Lures, $2.95. And Harmony Fishing Company, the hooks were $1.99. So I guess if you add all those up, I guess we'll come in close. And let's see, we got something else in here. Tackle box by the Catch Company. Dibble Fishing Tips and Tricks. Locate bigger panfish. How to bass fish on the cheap. Carl's story. I think it just goes through some stuff and just gives you some ideas. This tells you about the Willow Blade Cycle Bait. A little postcard tells you all about it. And here's our cool sticker. It says it comes with the Tree Pounder. Alright, group. Well, that's it for the unboxing of the mystery tackle box. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you enjoyed this, please like, subscribe, share, comment. Let us know. We'd like to hear from you. And until next time, over and out.